Power up your network with ease. Introducing Phoenix Contact's PoE injectors. Our Power over Ethernet injectors provide both power and data over a single Ethernet cable to devices such as IP cameras or wireless access points, simplifying your installation. What is special about it? Our mid-spin injectors deliver up to 60 watts, compliant to IEEE 802.3 AT, AF and BT. Whatever your power needs, we've got the right version for you. Push-in, IDC, screw connection or RJ45? It's your call. And the best part? Tool-free cable shielding with built-in strain relief. Drop it, close the cover, done. The hinged front cover keeps your wiring neat and protected. It hides the terminal block and the shielding and keeps your setup looking sharp. The ING 2000 series comes with built-in surge protection and shield current monitoring, keeps your device safe from voltage spikes, and helps you spot EMC issues fast thanks to the smart LED indicator. Some versions offer electrical isolation between supply voltage and PoE ports. That means extra protection, especially if there's a short on the field side. Ready to make your network installation more flexible and cost-effective? Visit our website to learn more about our PoE injectors and find the right solution for your network.